Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us do some algebra today. It's very basic algebra on the distributive law. So when you have a bracket x plus y, so we must do those inside the bracket first, right? So we need to multiply a inside. So a you need to multiply to x and multiply to y. So you will get ax plus ay. Okay, let's look at an example. For example, you have 4 bracket x plus y. So we need to multiply the 4 into x and 4 into y. So you will get 4x plus 4y. Can you see? The 4 will be going for x and multiply into y as well. How about if it's minus? It's the same. Okay, we will multiply a to x, the first one, and a to y also. Okay, we have to be fair to them. Okay, both of them will get part of a. Okay, so for example, so here you'll get ax minus ay. Let us look at an example. For example, we have 5x minus y. So you need to multiply 5 to x and 5 to y. So we actually get 5x minus 5y. Okay? Okay, so now, what if there are 3 of them? Okay, remember, you have to multiply to all 3 of them. Otherwise, they will be upset, right? Okay, so you multiply to x, then a you also multiply to y, and a you also multiply to z. So you get ax, ay, and az. Okay, so for example, we can have 3x plus y plus z. So you'll get 3x, then you get 3y, then we'll get 3z. Okay, let's do a little bit more complicated. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So you multiply 3 inside over here, so you get 6x plus 3 times 3 you get 9y. Then you multiply again to this one, you will get 12z. Okay, simple. Okay, this is basic algebra. Thank you for joining me. Do watch our next video on algebra 2. Okay, thank you for subscribing to our channel.